United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 142. Rights and legitimate interests of coastal states. 1. Activities in the area, with respect to resource deposits in the area which lie across limits of national jurisdiction, shall be conducted with due regard to the rights and legitimate interests of any coastal state across whose jurisdiction such deposits lie. 2. Consultations, including a system of prior notification, shall be maintained with the state concerned, with a view to avoiding infringement of such rights and interests. In cases where activities in the area may result in the exploitation of resources lying within national jurisdiction, the prior consent of the coastal state concerned shall be required. 3. Neither this part nor any rights granted or exercised pursuant thereto shall affect the rights of coastal states to take such measures consistent with the relevant provisions of Part 12 as may be necessary to prevent, mitigate, or eliminate grave and imminent danger to their coastline, or related interests from pollution, or threat thereof, or from other hazardous occurrences resulting from or caused by any activities in the area.